Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to split videos in TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, tap on this plus sign for recording new videos or uploading an existing video. And here swipe on the right for recording a video. Here you can do two things. The first thing is record your video by tapping on this record button. And the next thing is upload your video from your mobile phone gallery to TikTok by tapping on this upload and choose the video from your mobile phone. For me, I will record a video for a few seconds on TikTok and will show you how can you split it. So I'm capturing the video. Just for showing you, I recorded the video for 5 seconds. Now tap on the tick icon. And here you can see the option. On the third number edit, tap on this option. And here, move this line to that part, which you want split. Just for example, I will split it from the beginning. So that's why I'll arrange this line on the start. Here is the option edit on the bottom left. Tap on it. And on the first number, you can see the option split. Tap on it. So from here, you can see the video has been split into 2 parts. So it was the basic way by which you can split videos on TikTok.